David Lee singing songs about Texas. Willie Whalen, Robert Earl King. Dad's out there saying, you better follow that dream. And Mom's just sitting there singing along and slapping her knee. Yeah, my best time playing this old guitar, sitting around the campfire. And listen to Guy Clark playing out the Lucan Bach and old Jerry Jeff down the green. These are the best times these eyes have ever seen. Went up to Cambridge to bury Uncle Dave. Taught me how to play the blues when I was about 8. This was a sad time and everything felt wrong. Then we started playing and everybody sang along. Yeah, my best time playing this old guitar, singing my favorite song. In front of Margie's bar, playing some Hank songs and some old bad dreams. Drinking too much Pearl beer, not worried about a thing. I've seen some sunshine and I've seen the rain. I've been through some heartaches, but I can't complain. Somehow I always knew that my best time playing this old guitar, dancing the two-step in that old Wrangler bar. Everybody's singing along and tapping their feet, drinking too much bourbon and not getting enough sleep. When I think back to all my younger days, I've come to realize that it's always been this way. My two passions, women and the bars, and I can't forget this third one, playing this old guitar. And my best time playing this old guitar, me and little brother, we're just acting like stars, singing Jimmy Buffett down at the beach. And these are the best kind these eyes have ever seen. These eyes have ever seen. These eyes have ever seen.
This just jeans, absolutely, completely, utterly caked in mud.